Hey guys, welcome back to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. Today's video is done in collaboration with Jessie's Wig. They sent me one of their most popular wigs to unbox and try on for you. Here is everything that came in the packaging. It comes with a custom edge band, a set of brown stocking caps, and this really cute wig brush. The wig that I'll be trying on for you in this video is the Pre-Everything Glueless 9x6 layered cut straight wig. I did go ahead and pre-tint the lace before trying it on using this new lace tint spray that I got from Kiss Colors. I will have it linked on my Amazon storefront. But this wig is 100% glueless. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. It doesn't come with adjustable straps, but it does come with an adjustable elastic band that is removable. And I love that they actually branded the elastic band, so now I won't get it mixed up with any of my other wigs. This wig also features the C-shaped cutouts for your ears for more comfort, and the cap construction is also very flexible and stretchy, so it is suitable for a variety of different head shapes and sizes. You do have the option on the website to choose either a 7x5 or a 9x6 lace closure for your wig. I have the 9x6 closure and a 180% density. The lace does come pre-everything. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-cut, pre-everything. You do not need to do anything to the lace except for add some lace tint spray to help it blend in with your skin tone. I have this wig in a 22-inch natural black, but there are also 4 different length and color options on the website. You can purchase this wig in a 16, 18, 20, or 22-inch, and it also comes in the colors chocolate brown, honey blonde highlights, or chocolatey brown highlight. Although this is a silky straight unit, it will come with a few bumps and waves due to the shipping. So as you see here, I am making the wig super straight using my hot comb, and I'll also use my flat iron on 400 degrees just to make sure the hair is really smooth and get out all of those bumps and waves from the shipping. I also added a slight bump to the ends to really highlight those layers. I absolutely love the layers on this unit. It's definitely giving 90s supermodel vibes. It reminds me so much of Aaliyah. It reminds me so much of the way Aaliyah used to style her hair. And having your hair layered, no matter what the texture is, always adds body and volume. And what I love most about this wig is that even though it is a silky straight unit, it definitely does not feel thin or stringy at all. It feels very thick, very full, very voluminous for a silky straight unit. And because this is a glueless wig, I did do a glueless install. I did not use any glues, sprays, adhesives, or gels to lay this wig. With the stretch fit cap and the elastic band, the wig is actually very secure and snug. Now, this wig does come with a 9x6 lace closure, and although it is pre-parted in the middle, you can part it anywhere within the lace closure. This hair has so much body and volume. The hair is also very silky and very smooth. Here is what the hair looks like from the back. Again, this is a 22-inch wig cut with layers. So it's not 22 inches all the way throughout, but the majority of the length is 22 inches. And for reference, I am 5'4". You'll notice that this wig comes almost down to my tailbone, but it's pretty much waist length depending on how tall you are. Now I'm going to quickly style this wig in a side part and show you what that hairstyle looks like. I think the side part is really cute. It reminds me so much more of Aaliyah now. This is exactly how she would wear her hair. But that is pretty much it for this video. I will have the direct link and all of the information for this wig down in the description box below. Unfortunately, I do not have a coupon code for you guys, but Jessie's Wig is having their annual Black Friday sale starting November. And if you want to get this wig on a discount, then make sure you go and check out their website. But that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel, and I will see you in the next video.